Welcome to Interior Design's YouTube channel. Contemporary bedroom design serves as a captivating blend of sleek aesthetics and functional comfort. These spaces are characterized by clean lines, minimalist decor, and a focus on simplicity. A neutral color palette often dominates the creating a serene atmosphere conducive to relaxation. Furniture in contemporary bedrooms tends to be both stylish and practical. With a preference for streamlined forms, the integration of technology and a smart solution is a common feature, enhancing the modern lifestyle. Within the private sanitary, thoughtful lighting, such as Ricky's fixtures and statement pendant lights, contributes to the overall ambience. Textures play a critical role, introducing warmth through the use of materials like wood, metal, and luxurious fabric. Artful decor, accents, and statement pieces add personality without overwhelming the space. In essence, contemporary bedroom inspiration revolves around creating a harmonious haven that reflects the present day design ethos while providing a tranquil escape. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe, and like Interior Design channel.